This is Angie, after her knees have been killing her, and she was swept once today already, going up a hill that's probably a 25% grade, half a mile long. Here she comes. She's gonna make it. Woo! Go Angie! Woo! Go Angie! Woo! You can do it! You can do it! You can do it! You got it! Almost done! Woo! Woo!
Was that the second hill?
I don't remember. I think there's one more exactly like this. Woo! That's awesome.